Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we'll be talking about Roblox Connection Error. But before that, what does Roblox Connection Error mean? Roblox Connection Error is the problem where a player faces a problem with loading online experiences and gets an error message, such as ID equals 17 failure, or could not connect. The loading screen on the website may also take too long to complete or even fail to finish loading. When this happens, the player cannot get online experiences such as playing games, chatting with others, and creating games. The following are some of the common causes of the Roblox connection errors. Roblox server. If the server is not maintained, it can go offline, causing the connection error. Browser. An incompatible web browser can cause this error, especially if it uses third-party mods. Internet connection. Poor internet connection makes loading speeds slow. If your internet connection is poor, it causes a connection error. Device network drivers. If you stayed for a long time without updating your network drivers, they might be outdated. They make your network unreliable when outdated. Now let's look at the best solutions that you can apply to fix the Roblox connection error. Check the server outages. Visit the website downdetector.com. The link is in the description to check whether there are any outages reported for Roblox. Ensure that you choose your country on the Down Detector website, downdetector.com, because severe outages happen only in some areas. You could also consult fellow gamers to see if their Roblox is working. Use a compatible browser. Make sure that the browser you're using supports Roblox and is up to date. Roblox is only compatible with Apple Safari, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Opera software. These browsers are maintained and updated and don't have limited functionality. If you're using one of these browsers, you could also try cleaning your browsing cache. Look at your internet connection. Test your internet speed using the Google Internet Speed Test to see if your internet is working and at what speed and latency. If the speed is slow and the latency is high, you could try disconnecting other devices from the network to see if that improves it. Update the device network drivers. Follow these steps. Press the Windows icon. Search Device Manager and open it. Double-click Network Adapters. Pick your internet adapter and choose Update Driver. Now choose Search automatically for drivers. Then install the driver updates and restart your PC. Thanks for watching.